How to add a device to Google Home. So first what you want to do is just simply open up your Google Home app, and once you're here, you just simply need to go to devices, then click on add device. And here you'll pick the type of device that you're using. So let's say you're using something like the Google Nest or partner device. So simply click on that and pick a home that you want to control the devices to. You could either create another home or select the default one or the one that you have. After that, click on next, then wait for it. So it's simply looking for devices that is near you, and just simply need to wait for them to detect. And if it's not detected, it will look like this, and you need to manually pick the device that you're using. So let's say Wi-Fi device and the Nest Wi-Fi Pro. And here you will see some instructions on how to do it. So it says plug in your Nest Wi-Fi Pro and plug in your device to power and wait 1 minute. Then go to the next step when your device is plugged in. You could also click on show me how right here. After that, click on next. And it says continue when the light pulses blue. And after that, you could also click on there's no blue light. And you could also click any browsers right here to show you the instructions if on what happens when there's no blue light. But basically, after that, click on next, and it will look for the device again, and it will automatically detect it as long as you're close to it. But for me, I'm not near any devices, so that's why it's not detecting anything. But for you, it will. I assure you that it will automatically detect it as long as it's turned on, and that is basically it.